to my channel. It's your girl sherice.j. Every time I say that I feel like I sound weird, but I don't know, whatever. Today's video is basically I'm showing you guys how to do this naked beat, which is basically an everyday beat with drugstore makeup, everyday makeup, cheap affordable makeup for my dark skins, my almond my butter pecan girls. Now right now my hairstyle, I look like a little girl, but this face is beat, so it don't matter. I don't really want to speak too much. Oh, before we get started, make sure you follow me on Instagram at sherice.j right here, and sherice.j artistry right there. And if you want to book me, if you want to do any business, make sure you email me at sherice.jbeauty@gmail.com. Also right there. And subscribe, join the fam, like, comment, and tell me how you feel about it. Yes, I'm wearing this bright hoodie, but I feel like this hoodie represents how I feel right now. And it's just, I want to make you guys happy just by looking at it, because it makes me happy. It's really bright, it's colorful. Yeah. So to start off, I'm going to prime my face with my NYX Photo Finishing Primer. And then I'm going to apply a L'Oreal True Match foundation onto my beautiful skin. And then we're gonna blend that out with a brush. Blend, 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 blend. What I like to do is dab. I know it looks really fast because of editing, but I just dab it and move it around into my face so it could look flawless, just like skin. So my loves, what I'm going to do is I'm going to place the Adri Wine Concealer in the color Caramel under my eye. And after I put that on my eye, I'm going to put LA Girl Pro Conceal on my forehead and my chin. The reason why I do it like that is because I want my under eye to be brighter than my forehead and my chin. Now I'm going to be using the Black Opal foundation stick in the color Mocha. And this is a really good contour shade for me because it makes me look golden and brown. Like, I really, really love this foundation stick. Now I'm going to be blending that out before my concealer because I just like how it look at the end. Like, everything looks even and flawless and photoshopped. Like, high fives, you guys, to try this. After I blend out everything, I am going to blend out my concealer and blend, 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 blend. Also, to make everything really even, as I like to flip it to the side that I contour with and blend out all the harsh lines. Now I'm going to use LA Girl Pro Conceal in the color Almond, and this is just to make my under eye even more brighter. And I'm not going to drag it like I drag out the first one. I'm just going to keep it in the center. gonna set with air spun. As you can see, I'm trying to take off the excess powder. So what I do is dab on the back of my hand and then I set my under eye. And I like to set instead of bake because my face is very dry, and if I bake, it's not gonna be cute. Now I'm going to use the Black Radiance contour palette in the shade medium to dark. I'm just going to use that to set my face and to contour. This is a really good palette if you're beginning off with makeup. It's not expensive, it's cheap, like it's really essential, and I still use it to this day. Like, I love it. Now to blend everything really in, I use the foundation brush that I use, and then I'm just going to blend in all the harsh lines. And then I'm going to contour my nose. Now I'm going to use my Fierce by Nature palette. I'm going to use that brown shade for a little depth in my eyes because why not? And after that, I'm going to place that under my eye. But you're going to see that in the next clip. Now I'm going to use blush, and this is Milani Coralina, and this is a real rosy, pinkish, goldy, almost a highlighter color, and I really love it. Like, this is good for a lot of brown girls. Like, I feel like a lot of girls could use this. Very versatile. Now I'm going to highlight with the crayon case and the honor roll highlight. Like, I really like it. It's really nice. Look at it. Bam. One swipe, bam. Second swipe, bam. Look at that skin. Bam. It's very buildable. Now I'm just highlighting my nose and my inner tear duct. And after that, I'm going to apply my lashes off camera. Now we're going to set with Milani setting spray, the balm. Now I'm going to use the Morphe setting spray to set my face, and these two together are amazing. Like, leave your face matte and set all day. Now, after this, I'm going to put a mascara on my lashes to blend in with the falsies and my real ones. And then after that, I'm going to put that on my bottom lashes. I'm going to begin to line my lips with a Ruby Kiss brown lip liner. And after that, I'm going to put Praline by NYX on my lips. And to top that off, I'm going to put Anastasia Beverly Hills lip gloss and Sunset Strip on my lips. And that is my lip combo. Like, that is my favorite lip combo. Like, you guys definitely need to try it. It's bomb. She's cute. Then after that, we're done. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Tell me how you feel. Yes, I didn't show how I did my eyebrows. I think I'll more likely that'll be a separate video. And like, comment, and subscribe. I don't really know how to end my videos, but follow me on Instagram at sherice.j and sherice.j artistry. Don't enjoy it. Come back. Bye.